Welcome to this introduction to Parrot Linux, a versatile and powerful distribution designed with security, privacy, and development in mind. Whether you're an ethical hacker, a developer, or simply someone who values privacy, Parrot Linux offers a range of tools and features tailored to your needs. Let's dive into what makes Parrot Linux an exceptional choice for security-focused users. Parrot Linux is a Debian-based distribution that stands out for its comprehensive suite of security tools and privacy features. Developed by the Parrot project, this distribution is tailored for professionals in the cybersecurity and digital forensics fields, as well as for privacy-conscious users. One of the main attractions of Parrot Linux is its extensive collection of pre-installed security tools. These include tools for penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, digital forensics, and reverse engineering. Popular tools like Metasploit, Nmap, Wireshark, and AirCrack-NG are readily available, allowing users to perform a wide range of security tasks right out of the box. Privacy is another cornerstone of Parrot Linux. The distribution includes tools to protect your anonymity and secure your communications. Applications like Tor, AnonSurf, and encrypted messaging services are integrated to help you stay anonymous online and safeguard your data from prying eyes. Parrot Linux is not just about security and privacy. It also caters to developers with a variety of development tools. The distribution comes with a full development environment, including support for multiple programming languages, integrated development environments, IDEs, and version control systems. This makes Parrot Linux a great choice for software development, particularly in the security and cryptography fields. Performance and efficiency are also key features of Parrot Linux. Despite its rich feature set, the distribution is designed to run smoothly on a wide range of hardware, from powerful workstations to more modest machines. The lightweight Mate desktop environment ensures that you get a responsive and efficient user experience without sacrificing functionality. Another highlight of Parrot Linux is its commitment to being a rolling release distribution. This means that users receive continuous updates and improvements, ensuring that they always have access to the latest tools and features without needing to perform major upgrades. This approach keeps your system up to date with the latest security patches and software enhancements. The Parrot community is active and vibrant, providing extensive documentation, forums, and support channels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, you can find help and resources to guide you through any challenges you might encounter. The collaborative spirit of the community ensures that Parrot Linux continues to evolve and improve. In conclusion, Parrot Linux is a powerful, versatile, and security-focused distribution that offers a wealth of tools and features for professionals and privacy enthusiasts alike. Its comprehensive suite of security applications, privacy tools, and development environments make it an excellent choice for those who need a robust and reliable system for their cybersecurity and development tasks. Thank you for watching this introduction to Parrot Linux. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.